Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to this new project that I'm going to be working on for Proline by the Fire 2025, or hopefully getting finished by Proline 2025. But this is the long overdue unboxing of the Axial Wraith 1.9, which has now been discontinued. Now this is a project that I've been wanting to start for a couple years now, and I just picked these up before they were discontinued, and I just really never got around to building this. But now that I want to take this out and get it ready for Proline 2025, I'm guessing now's a good time as any to unbox this and start this project. My hopes is to build this up so it'll look just right at home at Horseman Center Ranch, which is where Proline by the Fire is. So let's get to it. So we've got the box, which by now everyone has seen before, but let's go ahead and go over it. But basically this rig came as an RTR and it came into different colors, orange and black. Now here I have the black version, but the box shows the orange. Let's just take a look at the box really quick. Let's see what came on this rig. So it came with a Tactic Metal Gear servo, which I don't know if they even have Tactic anymore. But anyway, 35 turn brush motor, Spectrum transmitter, Spectrum receiver, all of which I'm gonna rip out. Waterproof receiver box that looks like the engine. Plastic version of the 10-2 shocks, so these are gonna be probably tossed out for different shocks as well. Your standard wildboard WB drive shafts that most of the 10-2s came with. Other than that, I don't know if there's anything special about this that you guys probably don't already know. So, this rig is a 12-inch wheelbase, so it is 305 millimeters or 12 inches. Most rigs are 313, but this is a little bit smaller. Alright. Okay, let's see the back here. What do we have in the back? Just some more details on this rig. So you'll see here's the tube chassis that was made specifically for this rig to fit the 10-2 components. And, pretty much the standard AX10 transmission all the 10-2s used to have. If you didn't have the kit version had a different transmission that had 2-speed capability, but it's got both side skids, inner fenders, so it's chassis mounted steering, 4-link suspension. It's got like a trailing arm type of rear bottom link. Of course I'll probably dump those out and use metal links. So there is going to be a bunch of stuff that I'm going to change on this rig. I'm probably not going to run it stock. But yeah, your AR44 axles and your standard AR44 ring and pinion gear that most axial rigs use. Here's a picture of the black version. And this is what is in this box. I'm going to probably paint it too as well. So it's not going to stay black. Here, focus. A little too close to the camera here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's try further away. Well, hopefully you can see that clear enough. But yeah, two versions, as I said right here. This is the black one. Once again, these rigs are now discontinued, so you can no longer get them unless you go on eBay or something. But that is basically what the packaging looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, I'm not going to turn on the lights because I don't have to worry about glare. Yeah, so I've already cut open the side of the package. Let's just roll it out, shall we? Oh, I guess I'm going to have to cut some more. Here. Oh, upside down. Alright. The first thing that's in the package is the rig. We'll go over that a little later. Got the Spectrum radio here, of which I will not be using. Here's your RTR Spectrum radio. This is the STX2. So just say basic Spectrum RTR radio. And for the rest of the box, we got the manual. And we got these parts. Looks like we got extra trailing arms, the heads for the figure, driver figure, this little things for your rock course, and some other extra plastic sprue parts that usually come with Axial rigs. Alright, so now that's out of the way, let's go look at the rest of the rig. Alright, I freed the rig from its prison. You can see here the AR-44 axles, the CX-102 shocks. Yeah, a little loose there. Needs some adjustment. Anyway, you can see here the noodle plastic links. This will definitely have to be replaced. Yeah, definitely gonna have to replace these. Noodle tires. These are glue-ons, so not bead locks. See the inside driver. Let's open it up. I believe this is a hinge system, if I remember correctly. Let's see. It's just the hood. So the hood just opens up. So you can see here, it's a receiver box. This is your battery tray. So this is where you put the battery. You got your AX10 transmission in there. You got your brush motor there. And I mean, that's all there is to it. Not much I can say besides that, but I'm going to be tearing it all apart and I'm going to be starting the build on this. So stay tuned for future videos on this Axial Wraith 1.9, and hopefully I can get this running before ProLine 2025. Thanks for watching.